What is good, YouTube? It's another install vid coming up. A sneak peek. AdvanBlack. Two parts will be installed on the bike. Straightening up a little bit around here. A lot of working. Let's get the bike on the lift. Unbox these. And get the install going. The bike strapped down just because this wheel chock sucks, to say the least. I am thinking about upgrading the wheel chock. Let's get into what's in the box. Box number one. We're all nice and packaged up. Let's get this out of here. AdvanBlack. What do we have here? Some of you may be able to guess exactly what we have here. Hold a second. Had to get us a knife here to cut this tape off here. Tape off here, and boom. Let me know what you guys thinking. Red carbon fiber. By the good folks over at AdvanBlack. Sheesh. I do have the regular carbon weave. That's coming off. And we're going with the red carbon fiber here. See how it comes out. First thing, let's get that front fender off. If any of you guys are interested in the black carbon fender, let me know. This is LA Fender company. No damage, no scratches. It's a normal wear and tear. Could use a good cleaning, but like no cracks, no nothing. Still in very good shape. 100% carbon too, not the plastic stuff. Let's get into box number two. Killing it right now, bro. Killing it. Found my knife, but it's alright. We'll make do with an old-fashioned screwdriver. What you guys think? That red carbon, already pre-cut. All the holes should line right up. They even got the mount for your light harness already on there. Shout out to AdvanBlack, man. Killing it right now. Absolutely killing it. Let's get these fenders off. Get the new fenders on. And see how it comes out. Stick around. This install is now in day 3. What was going to be a fast and easy fender install has now turned into a 3-day install. But that's all because of me. So when I was changing the front fender out, took out the stock bolts. It's a no-go for me once I started putting them back on. I was like, man, these bolts are ugly. So I went ahead and ordered the ARP bolts for the front fender. Stainless. So let's keep this install moving. Bike is super filthy still from Gettysburg. We got caught in that rainstorm. Look how dirty this is. Jeez. Stock on the bottom. ARP up top. That ARP is glaring, but Not bad. I think it looks better. ARP's in there now. Let's get to the rear fender. So to stop the fender, you gotta take struts, your fender struts off. Take my bags off, my bag bracket off, I should say. Ugh. And everything's tight because it's Loctite, of course. I think I'm gonna rock out with no bags for a little while. That's why I put that back in there. I also, while I was at it, I ordered the ARP bolts for up here for the fender struts. They haven't come in yet, so hence why they're not going on the bike yet. So of course you gotta take the seat off. You guys pretty much should know how to take the seat off. I'm just putting a piece of tape so I know which is left and right. So this one plug back into the gray one. I don't know if it's left or right, but that's pretty much it. Pop that bolt off, the other bolt, and I should be able to get the whole fender out now. You see the little track right there, kind of slides in here. Little groove right there.
Come again.
This is what I was saying. You gotta find the guides, kind of guide that back in there like that. So give y'all 360 tomorrow. Wrapping this video up now. Fenders are on. Let me know what you guys think. The fender gap look good, don't it? But yeah, fenders are on. Let me know what you guys think. And I think they came out nice in the sun. I love the look in the sun, man. That carbon looks great in the sun. About to head out, go hit Baltimore Harley Bike Night. They have an event going on tonight at my local dealership, Baltimore Harley. So I'm gonna go check them out. And if you guys are interested in carbon fiber fenders for your lowrider S, carbon fiber fairing for your ST. They got the carbon fairing for your ST, or any carbon fiber parts for either your baggers. Man, head over to AdvanBlack, check them out. Coming out with a lot of dope stuff, man. A lot of dope stuff in the works. Really digging the way those red fenders came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out on this one. I'll catch y'all at the bike night vlog. But sign it on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.